attitude in behalf of Batch 2024.
To our dearest teachers, parents, guests, and to my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. In behalf of the undergraduates for this academic year 2023-2024, I would like to thank my classmates.
To all of you.
I would like to thank my classmates.
To thank all of you. I would like to thank all of you.
I would like to thank you all of you for coming here today to celebrate this memorable event in our lives. I want to thank our beloved school, Queen Henry Christian Academy, and all teachers for taking care of us, especially to our advisor, Ms. Jane Aranas and Mr. Dindo Lawi, for the patience in teaching us. To our dear parents, for your love and support. Also, I would like to thank my classmates for the joyful experience we shared. Congratulations, we made it. And also, I want to give glory to our Almighty God, Jesus Christ, for guiding us in our studies. Once again, congratulations everyone, and God bless us all.
Ito talaga ang mga kids sa Queen Henry na